am hungover. Over. I could really use some juice right now. I don't feel good.
Alright, we're a little hungover. You know what today is? What's today, Wes?
Today is go fuck yourself day. I did that this morning.
Alright, we drank a little too much last night. I'm not feeling so hot today.
So we're gonna do some low stress work, like painting.
Yep. So we're gonna get started on the fucking Silverado again. This is gonna be exciting. Are you excited?
What?
You excited?
Oh fuck yeah, let's do it.
Hell yeah. So we moved Wes's piece of shit out of the way. We gotta roll my frame out of the way. And
why's my car gotta be a piece of shit?
well, look at it. So we need to fix. We gotta fix this fucked up shit that I did when I was 16. I know Wes looks at it and he goes, "Damn, that's some good work." But I think it needs redone.
I looked at it and said, "Damn, looks like I did it yesterday."
No, I did it.
No, I didn't.
No. Oh, okay. So we're gonna box all that in, strengthen it up, and then we're gonna paint the whole underside of this with undercoating to get it ready to go back onto its frame. Got it?
Let's do it.
All right.
Yeah.
Someone could send us some water and some more Gatorade, and maybe what's good for hangovers? What's that baby shit people drink?
Pedialyte.
Maybe some
Pedialyte. Maybe if you could send me again some
$40.
Or any type of canned goods that you have that don't need to be refrigerated. Really could use a 401k or some type of retirement plan.
He really needs fucking new tires for his house.
I do need new tires for my house.
He needs new tires for
I need a new transmission filter and pan gasket. 4L80E 2006 GMC Savannah.
Is that it?
I miss my mom.
Alright, this is what we gotta fix. So I cut this out. 16-year-old Max said, "That'll do." A little piece of fucking 1-inch fucking steel. I don't even know what the fuck I was doing. So we'll clean cut this, make a plate, 1/8 inch that goes over it on both sides. And then we'll run maybe like a 2x2 square tubing in between them. Weld that. Going to strip this firewall down, huh?
Yee. So we're gonna go ahead and get rid of this boost pressure regulator. We're gonna go ahead and get rid of this alternator, and then drop down all these dash 10 fuel lines out of here. Let's get started.
Okay. While he's doing, well, I guess I can't really do anything while you're doing that. So I guess we'll just do.
That's tough. Josh, you suck.
Yeah, we vlogged on Saturday because Josh said he was gonna come, and Josh never came.
Yep.
So
just like his lady never does.
Yeah.
Ah, Josh.
She's pretty much stripped. Now we just got to cut all these off, grind them down because we're not going to use any of this shit anymore. Start prepping it out for paint. Get these off. So here's the patches that are gonna go in here. Get welded in. It's kind of hard to see under here because it's so dark, so we'll bring it back when it's done. How about that? Here's where we're at. We got the firewall shaved and prepped, de-ate it. Got as much of the old paint as I could off for now. I'm not trying to get crazy with it. Shaved all the fucking mounting points and shit that used to be on here. We got the underside here all done. Seam sealed it, welded it up. So everything's ready to be coated, it just needs wiped down. Wes just went to get brushes so we can put the KBS coating on here and underneath. That way hopefully it dries and we can put the body on the frame tomorrow morning. Yeah, tomorrow morning hopefully, we'll see. But as long as we get it in paint tonight, we got some shit done for once, finally. Wes just got back with the foam brushes we need.
And I bought him on the same receipt for my customer, so I'm gonna bill him.
It only took only took 6 hours for you to go get foam brushes.
Because you know I went into Home Depot and I stood in the center on it.
No, you got on your phone and you started sending me Corvair fucking video pictures.
Dude, ADD's a hell of a drug.
Hell yeah. This is what we're gonna put on. Same stuff we did Wes's frame in. It's funny, I just found this fresh can just sitting around.
See that? Damn, it's only $42.
No, it's $14, dude. It's $14. Took for fucking ever, but it's done. All fucking painted, fucking looking nice. Cross member cut is a lot better than it was. It's all seam sealed now. So now we're gonna go home, go to sleep. Because it's late as fuck, we're tired as fuck, and tomorrow we're gonna put the body on. Yee. You wanna say bye?
Bye to my hair.
Dude, you said bye to your hair a long time ago, dude.
I didn't say bye, he did.